That's funny.
All right. I tell you what, just closing here on remarks, let's just remember that we've got one Supreme Court position open right now. We've got 2 more of them on the court that are over 80 years old right now. What will our country be like if Hillary Clinton got to put 3 people on the Supreme Court? They could rewrite the entire Constitution. The one that's rewritten it lately got appointed by Bush. Who can imagine what 3 of them could do appointed by Hillary Clinton? So let's remember that. And like I said, our Second Amendment was only carried by 1 vote. So we know how detrimental 3 of them would be. Think about abortion, what he said on abortion. Let's look at the timeline. Hillary Clinton, she's for abortion at any time in a pregnancy. She hasn't drawn a line anywhere. Hillary actually said that an unborn child has no constitutional rights. Who could say a thing like that? An innocent unborn child has no constitutional rights. What is this country coming to? So, he was talking about immigration. She has specifically said that she's for raising it 6 times more than Barack Obama. 6 times more. Donald Trump says we just ought to freeze it until we can figure out how we can tell the good ones from the bad ones. And so at least he's come out and said something definite. How often are we used to any politician saying something that's something definite, like I would freeze it until I could figure out how to find out the good ones from the bad ones, how to bend them. That's what I was trying to think of. He's saying I would build a wall. He's saying specific things that he's obligated himself to. I'm used to talking to politicians in Little Rock that when you get done talking with them for 15 or 20 minutes, they hadn't obligated themselves to anything when you get done. You don't have nothing to stand on when you get talking to them. Getting done talking to them. So at least he's taking a position and standing on it, and we have something to hold him accountable to that is at least hopeful. But Hillary Clinton is saying exactly, she's obligating herself to do exactly what we don't want. So even though it may be a false hope, as Paul said, that it may be a false hope, but at least it's hope. And they're saying that it's our job to elect people, then it's our job to hold them accountable after we elect them. Now, if we hold Hillary Clinton accountable from what she said, what do you have? So our only hope is to let Donald Trump and hold him accountable for the things that he's promised the American people, for the things that the American people have told him that he wanted. Because if we elect Hillary Clinton and hold her accountable, we'll get exactly what we don't want. We'll get the end of our country as we know it.
Got that right.
Our saddest moment in this country was the Civil War, when we had Americans killing Americans. That is the saddest history in this country. And in my lifetime, I do not want to see that happen. But if something has to happen, we might as well do it in our lifetime, because we don't want to do like Obama and Hillary Clinton. We don't want to pass all the problems on to our children. If we got problems, let's deal with them right now. And let's try to leave our children the opportunity that we were born with. They don't deserve anything. But the guys that are buried in Arlington Cemetery deserve at least hope that somebody will stand up for the Constitution of the United States. And not somebody that has publicly sworn to do everything they can to destroy it. So I ask you to vote for hope. It may be a small hope, but there is always hope with Donald Trump, where we have nothing to do with. So, thank you very much.